Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of banana cultivation, from expert farming techniques to transforming your garden into a lush green paradise. After harvesting, indulge in a variety of delicious banana-based treats, including banana bread and nutritious banana smoothies. The banana planting process starts with soil preparation, where farmers carefully create the perfect environment to ensure the seedlings thrive. The harvested banana bunches are transported in 44-pound capacity crates to the processing area. Once at the processing facility, the bananas are thoroughly washed for about 10 minutes to remove dirt and bacteria, ensuring top-quality fruit before it is sent to the factory. Equipped with advanced technology, the banana tree cutter features a powerful motor for efficient operation. After planting seedlings, managing weeds, and performing other essential care tasks become critical for creating optimal conditions for healthy plant growth and high yields. Weeds not only compete for light, water, and nutrients, but they can also harbor pests and diseases that negatively impact plant development. During this stage, farmers remove the banana blossom to encourage rapid fruit bunch development. At the same time, they remove diseased and old leaves to protect the plants from pests and diseases. This also ensures that the plants receive adequate sunlight and airflow, optimizing their growth. These meticulous care steps are vital for ensuring healthy banana plants and maximizing yields. Unfortunately, the banana industry faces numerous challenges, especially the severe impacts of storms and floods. When the bananas are ripe, the harvesting process begins. Workers carefully inspect the ripeness of each banana bunch, with each bunch typically containing 8 to 12 bananas. The bunches are then cut with precision to prevent damage to the fruit. On average, each worker harvests around 500 bunches per day. The harvested banana bunches are then handled with great care. Packaging process. The banana bunches are carefully packaged in polythene bags and vacuum sealed, preserving the bananas for an extended period while maintaining their freshness and natural quality. This process not only ensures hygiene but also helps retain the flavor and nutritional value of the bananas throughout storage. Banana processing. In another section of the factory, approximately 2,200 pounds of fresh bananas are peeled and cut into small pieces, ready for processing. These banana pieces are then deep-fried in hot oil at 180 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes, creating crispy, fragrant banana chips that everyone loves. After frying, the chips are cooled and packaged into 150g bags, ready to offer a delicious flavor experience. If you've ever enjoyed these banana chips, leave a number 1. Sustainability through banana fibers. The use of banana fibers is a meaningful step toward environmental sustainability and opens up new avenues for innovation in the industry. These fibers, known for their exceptional durability, flexibility, and resilience, have become a valuable material for various applications. The creativity involved in harnessing banana fibers has led to groundbreaking developments while also contributing to community development and fostering a greener, more sustainable industry. The fiber extracted from banana tree bark, with a strength of up to 1,500 newtons per centimeter, is widely used in various industries and household manufacturing, helping to create sustainable materials. Additionally, banana fibers are used in traditional handcrafted products such as bags, mats, and hats, with an annual production exceeding 1 million items. Banana fiber paper. Did you know that banana fibers can also be turned into paper? That's right! The remaining parts of the banana stalk, after extracting the liquid, are fully dried and transformed into material for producing unique handmade banana paper. This paper is rich in natural value and sustainability, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional paper products. Ensuring stable and efficient operation, the motor delivers high horsepower, allowing the machine to easily cut through thick and tough banana trunks. Thanks to its superior performance, the machine can handle large volumes of banana trees in a short amount of time, saving labor and increasing harvest productivity. This is especially important for large farms where high productivity and efficiency are crucial. When the bananas are delivered to the factory, approximately 500 kilograms of bananas are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. Next, workers inspect each banana, averaging about 3,000 bananas per hour, to ensure quality. Bananas that do not meet the standards, which account for about 5%, are carefully discarded before the packaging process. This procedure ensures that only the highest quality bananas make it to the market. After being thoroughly washed, the bananas are separated into smaller bunches, each consisting of about 4 to 6 bananas, in preparation for the next steps in the process.